Set the bird free. Cinegoers will never forget the unforgettable thought in the famous Hollywood movie of 1993. It was, if you want to know if something is yours, set it free. If it comes back to you, it will always be yours. Otherwise, it was never yours to begin with. This reminds one of Hafiz Shirazi's similar thought stated centuries ago in Persian. Set the bird free. If it is yours, it will fly back to you. Otherwise, it will fly away into the oblivion of sky, never to return to you. Relationships thrive in complete freedom and never in the miasma of imprisonment. We all get suffocated in any kind of a relationship. The reason being, every relationship comes with an expiry date and every individual is eventually a bore. Ultimately, ennui creeps in, and when it sets in, the relationship suffers. The problem with humans is that we tend to believe in the immortality and permanence of things and people. It is grossly wrong. Shahir Ludhianvi wrote in Chitralekha of 1963, consider that enough if someone gives you company for some time. No one dies with you. Just like the bird of a ship which flies away far and wide, but at the end of the day flies back to the ship because it knows that the ship will welcome it back every time it flies away. Thank you for listening. Relationships thrive in complete freedom and never in the miasma of imprisonment. MIASMA, miasma, means an oppressive or unpleasant atmosphere. Ultimately, ennui creeps in, and when it sets in, the relationship suffers. ENNUI, ennui, means a feeling of weariness and dissatisfaction. Ennui means a feeling of being bored and mentally tired. Thank you very much.